Welcome to the tiny house tour of this beautiful tiny house on wheels. This stunning house measures 28 x 10 feet and can be pulled using a bumper pull trailer. The 2023 price of this house is $176,000, making it an investment in your dream home that's well worth the cost. The house is built with high-quality materials that ensure durability and longevity. The exterior of the house features a sleek and modern design that is sure to catch the eye. A heating stove at the entrance hall on the left, and on the right, as we see a large cooking area where two people can safely cook. This space facilitated the design solution, which made it possible to hide the washing machine and refrigerator under the stairs. There are built-in cabinets, drawers, and shelves located throughout the kitchen area, providing ample space to store pots, pans, dishes, utensils, and other cooking essentials. The cabinets have been thoughtfully designed to maximize storage space while also allowing for easy access to all of your kitchen items. The first loft bedroom is located above the kitchen area and can accommodate a queen-sized bed. The bedroom features a low ceiling that adds to the cozy and intimate atmosphere of the space. The second loft bedroom is located at the far end of the house and is accessed via a separate set of stairs. This loft bedroom is similar in size to the first and can also accommodate a queen-sized bed. Large windows located on either side of the bedroom offer stunning views of the surrounding area. The guest area is located on the main level of the house and features a comfortable sofa that can be converted into a bed to accommodate additional guests. The guest area is situated between the two loft bedrooms. The bathroom is a small yet functional space that incorporates a bathtub and an eclipse sink. It may seem unbelievable to have a bathtub due to the limited space available. However, with clever design and innovation, it is possible to incorporate a bathtub into a tiny house bathroom. The bathtub may be smaller in size, but it still provides a relaxing and luxurious experience. The combination of the bathtub and eclipse sink creates a cozy and inviting atmosphere, making the tiny house bathroom a perfect place to unwind and refresh. Near the bath there is another hallway, with hangers on the walls, with a spacious closet. And this is the hallway where you and I will leave this house. Thank you for watching. Homes for Bright Living was with you. See you soon.